Okay. She is able to lift the box. She is able to lift the box. Change it only to negative. Saroja, can you say she is able to lift the box? That is an affirmative. Now, how we will change it? Saroja, you writing?
Yeah.
Now, change it. She is, yes, somebody has written. She is not able to lift the box. Very nice, very nice. Now, put the same sentence in interrogative. I said she is able to lift the box. Negative is she is not able to. Now I want you to put the same one in interrogative. Anyone can try? She is able to lift the box. If you want to put it in interrogative. Yes. Is she able to lift the box? But the one who wrote, what should you remember? Ellen?
Put the question mark.
Yes. Yeah, you cannot. See, if you do not put a question mark, it will become a statement. Remember, if you do not put a question mark, it will become a statement. Understand? Is she able to? A statement can be changed to a negative sentence. It can be changed to an interrogative sentence. Now, I'll give one more sentence. He lives somewhere near the post office. He lives somewhere near the post office. Now first change it to interrogative. Yes, change to first interrogative and then negative. Come on. Where now? Somebody, no. Where do he know? Where does he live? How do you have to put mark? Where does DOES. Okay. Now I say for do it is I do, you do, he, she, it. That's we do, you do, they do. So where does he? Again, no question mark. I said you have to put question mark.
I do.
We do, I do, you do, he, she, it. That's
We do.
he, she, it. That's DOES. That's we do. No, wait. Some answers are going, but there are some wrong answers. Okay. Now, where does he live? Correct. Okay. Before that, one more answer. One came. No.
Did he live? Did he live is wrong.
Wrong. Where did he live? Long time back, where he live? Where does he live? Yes. That is the question. How will you change it to negative? He lives somewhere near the post. Yes, correct. Where shall we? No. No. Some here, is he lives? No. Does he live? You cannot say is he lives. You must put does he live. Yes, where does he live is the question mark. Now I want you to change it to negative. Anyone can try negative. No, yes. Question mark. He does not. No, he does not live. Correct. This is correct, but not lives. He does not live. Okay, ma'am. See, the rule is what? No. If does will come plural, live will become singular. You cannot say he does not live. He lives. He does not live. Yes. He does not live near the post office. Very nice. Someone else. He does not live. Again, you're writing. Not he does not live. He does not live. Only L-I-V-E. Good. Very good. Yes, yes. You can't go. No, you cannot change words. Now he doesn't live. Now does not and doesn't both are right. Yes.
He does not live.
He does not live or he doesn't live. He does not live. Very nice. Very nice. Did you all understand that now? Anyone else wants me to repeat? Just unmute and tell me, Auntie, repeat. Yes, very good. So, in negative sentence, you get a not. In interrogative sentence, you have a question mark. In a statement, you have a full stop. Clear? All are clear? Nobody is there. So, one more sentence, okay? Can I give one more sentence? Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
There is some milk
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
jug. There is there. There. See, there is two spellings. One is there, one is there. There is pronoun. Okay? There. There is some milk in the jug. Yes. Now change it to interrogate. Where is no? No. Not where is the milk.
What?
There is some milk in the jug. Put it as question as well as negative. Yes. And again, you do, Deepika, you're forgetting to put the question mark. See, if you put a question mark only, we'll know that it is an interrogative sentence. Yes. Is there some milk in the jug? Very nice. Yes. Can someone change it to negative? Oh, no. What is in the jug? Ah, very nice. That's a nice way of asking the question. That is also correct. What is in the jug? Very nice. Yes.
What is this?
There is some milk in the jug.
No,
Somebody has-
before that. Lata Sai is written the same
No. No, there is no milk in the jug. Correct. Negative, you can put no milk. Is there? Yes. There is no milk in the jug is the negative. Anyone?
I'm sorry, ma'am.
Yes.
By
Good,
mistake,
good.
ma'am.
There is no some. Somebody has put no some. No. There is no milk. No and some you cannot put together. There is no milk in the jug, not in jug. In the jug. You must put the. You don't need to put no first, Lynn. Don't. And then every answer should start with a capital letter. A sentence begins with a capital letter. So I think you children are almost.
Why is there, who is Meena? Why is this, there is no milk in the jug, a question mark?
You cannot, that is not a question mark. When you are talking, no, sometimes you can ask her. Harish, please take her there, no? No, you can't write there is no milk in the jug. Is there no milk? You must put is there no milk in the jug? Or actually you don't, yes, if it's a question, is there milk in the jug also you can put. But now here my sentence is there is some milk in the jug. Anya, I said you go there. Got it, everybody? Okay, now I'll give a negative. Yes. Is there milk in the jug?
Question mark.
Yes, that's the very good. Question mark comes down. Very nice, very nice.
That's okay.
Now I will give negative sentence and you should put it in the affirmative and interrogative. No one knows who he is. No one knows who he is. Now, how do you spell that knows? Knows, two spelling, K-N-O-W, another is N-O-S-C. Okay. Now, no one knows who he is. Put it in the affirmative and in the interrogative. No. No, everyone knows who he is. Yes, you can put someone knows who he is here. I give no one knows who he is. Question is that, yes, someone knows who he is. Okay, very good. Everyone knows who he is. Where is the full stop?
No. 2, 3 people are not putting full stop.
Put the full stop, question mark.
And everyone is one word or 2 words?
Everyone is one word. Someone knows who he is. Very good. Somebody put someone knows. That's nice. I want the question. How is interrogative? Interrogative. Yes, interrogative.
Does anyone know him?
And now somebody wrote, does anyone know? Take out the S. You mustn't put S.
Does anyone know?
Who is he, Noma? Who he is. Who he is, you should put. You can't put who is he. Who he is.
What is this? Babu Sheikh. He knows who he is.
Where is that?
Babu Sheikh.
Does anyone know him? No. I said no one knows who he is. So does anyone know who he is, not know him? If I say everybody knows him, then you can put that. Yes, who he is.
Someone knows.
No, that someone knows who is no.
That is not a
Someone-
question. That
someone
is
knows,
not a
okay.
question.
Now, does anyone know who